Hi there, have you wanted to start a YouTube channel without showing your face? Don't worry, you are not alone. Faceless YouTube channels are basically skyrocketing in popularity, and the good news is that they can be very profitable. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas that can make you a lot of money in 2025. So I'm not going to waste so much time on this. I'm just going to start straightforward. And then the first one I'm going to talk about is storytelling channels. This particular topic or idea can help you grow fast on YouTube. Example is the folktale. If you go on YouTube and you search for African folktale, for instance, let me go into my browser and then you search for African folktale, you'll see a lot of videos doing so well in that particular niche. So you can see here this particular channel doing a lot of work over here, and then a video which is about 3 weeks old is already having about 2 million views. Okay, you can see here it's having close to about 1,600 views per hour. So basically 1,600 views per hour, 1,600 views per hour. And then if you scroll down, there are a lot of channels basically doing the same thing here. This channel is also a folktale channel doing the same. So you can see this channel are basically new channels doing the same thing, and then you can also do the same and start making some good money online. If you want to have the idea how to create this, or you can easily go to my YouTube channel, my YouTube page. I'm going to put the link at the description. I've created some comprehensive video to guide you how to generate the image, get your voiceovers, and then you can start animating your static images to create this amazing story. You don't need to be a good storyteller to start creating a folktale channel. So I actually went to Social Blade to check on one of these channel, which is quite very young. You can see this channel was created this year, 3rd April 2024, and they basically uploaded just 33 videos, and in the last 30 days already getting about 1.2 million views, and then made close to about $5,000 on YouTube, and also raised over 11,000 subscribers in the last 30 days. So this is a niche that is not that saturated. You can easily jump into this and then you start making some very good money. So these channels are basically doing a lot here. This particular one here, you can see if you filter this video, you can see the video are doing so well. This video is just about 3 months old and it already is getting 1.8 million. There's another here, a month old, 1.2 million, 7 months, and in that order. If you check through, you can see almost all the videos are doing very well, and you can equally do that. If you check on this as well, this another one here also doing the same thing. If you go and filter this based on popularity, you can see how amazing this channel is doing. And these images are basically something you can generate with AI using Leonardo AI, Copilot, and a lot of image generating software can actually guide you to generate this amazing image stuff and then put out the storyline. Like I said, you don't need to be a good storyteller to do this. ChatGPT and then the rest. If you watch my video, I share with you most of the tools that can help you to generate these images. So that is the first one, storytelling channel. This niche is very profitable, and then you can start straightforward, and then within a month or two you can actually monetize your YouTube video. Now the next I'm going to talk about is basically quiz channel or trivia channel. This niche is also doing very well. If you want to share quizzes or some trivia stories, then you can consider going to the quiz channel, and then quiz channel are doing the same. They are doing so well. If you go on YouTube and then just search for quiz video on YouTube, you can see this particular content are also doing very well. So like Emoji Guess the Movie by Emoji, and you can see there are several other ones over here. So if you go on YouTube and search for quiz videos, you're going to get a lot of videos also doing the same thing. Guess the Movie by Emoji, and you can see 4 months, 4.4 million views. And if you go ahead, you will see a lot of videos basically doing the same thing. This is another one, Guess the Movie by Emoji, 4 months, 2.8 million views. And there's a lot of channel doing basically the same thing, and you can equally do the same and start making some very good money. You can choose the gift box, pink, purple, blue, and then the rest. So if you go through the list, you can see basically this amazing content or an idea that can make you a lot of money. This is another one by Quiz Bliss. If you open their channel, they are doing so marvelously well, and then you can actually create quiz video and then start making some good amount of money on YouTube. If you check on Social Blade, you can see they are making a lot of money. If you go on Social Blade and search for Quiz Bliss, so if you search for Quiz Bliss, so if you search for one of these, that's the Quiz Bliss channel on Social Blade. Look at what is happening over here. in the last 30 days they have over 13.9 million views, and then they've made close to $55 million on YouTube and over 62,000 subscribers in just 30 days. That is how amazing quiz videos can be. And they are making about $2,000 in a single day, sometimes up to even $4,000. So these are some of the niche, if you jump into it, can be very, very profitable. So quiz videos are also trending. If you go through the list, there are a lot of ideas there you can start creating, and then you can do this with Canva. If you want me to create a video on this, how to create these quiz videos, let me know at the comment section, and then I will equally do that. So the third on my list is fact-based channel. This is also very profitable, and then it's also growing very fast. So if you want to share facts, let's say you want to share information about 10 facts about the world, 10 facts about space you didn't know, or shocking facts about the world, or weird facts about human history, you want to share fact-based stories, you can also go into that, and it's very, very profitable. You can use a YouTube channel like Brightside. You can actually go on YouTube, and then you can see their channel is basically into that, how share facts, and then also blend it with some form of quiz videos and all that. So you can actually start that, and then you can start making some very good money. So fact-based channel are basically one of the ideas you can start. You can easily research. ChatGPT and AI tools can easily help you to make some few research, and then you can publish some facts. So facts about humans that you don't know, facts about this, those are some of the things you can start, and then you can start making profits on YouTube. The fourth for my list is animation or whiteboard explainers. So you can also start a YouTube channel, and all you'll be doing is creating a whiteboard animation. So you can easily use illustrations and others to make some animated videos, and then these videos are also very, very popular on YouTube. You can use tools like Doodly or Animaker to create these professional looking animations, and you can even use Canva to do that. So these days a lot of people are using Canva. So if you go on YouTube, you can see a lot of people are even using Canva to create this whiteboard animation. So you can equally sign on to Canva, and then you can start creating these animated videos. You can see here this whiteboard style of animation. A lot of videos here have been created using Canva, so you can equally do that using Canva. So like, subscribe, and then make sure you turn on post notification for more video ideas on my YouTube channel. So this is basically some of the ideas that you can start creating videos on, and it's going to help you a lot. So my final idea is about realization or productive sound. You can actually publish or create a YouTube channel, and then kind of post this inspirational realization videos or production sound that people can listen to while they work. Most of the time you may not be able to monetize this one, but making money on YouTube is not only through the YouTube revenue model. You can also use affiliate link or sponsorship deal. So you can actually use this method also to make a very good amount of money on YouTube. So if you go on YouTube at the moment and you search for realization or meditation, you're going to see a lot of channels doing this, and then they are equally doing so well, getting a lot of views. Some videos are very, very old, but they still get a lot of views. So you can equally do that. Some even publish this video and then go live, and people still watch this video. People keep enjoying this and keep watching it over and over and over. So what we need to do is that you can pick any of this, just focus on one and start creating content around it. Just focus on this and be consistent, and then YouTube is actually going to reward you for your effort. So jump right into this and start something for yourself, and then I promise you can just make it. And if you want me to do some video also, let me know at the comment section of this video. Like, subscribe for more. Till I come here again. Bye bye.